Can do is you can see a QR code here. You can scan it with your phone, and this will bring you to the WELOCK website. And here you have the possibility to just go and go to the app, and this allows you to download, for example, the Android or iOS app. And I'm just downloading it right now, and this allows me to use my smartphone as well, or Bluetooth, to unlock the door if I want to. As you can see here, the WELOCK app needs a registration, so you have to register with your phone number here. Select the country and enter your code to log in here for the WELOCK app. So if you don't want this, you don't have to use this app. You can also already start using your device the way you want it, but this is just adding an extra feature, an extra option of comfort. So after you installed the application and logged in, you have the possibility to add a new device and add a WELOCK. I can scan the QR code now on the device to set it up. So I say OK here, allow taking pictures, and then I have to hold, of course, the QR code there, and it's then automatically detecting the device. And I can say lock ID can be found on packaging box, so I have to enter the lock ID on the packaging box for this. Then the app gives us instructions on how to enter the management password and readjust it. So you have to press on the lock button, enter the default password, which is 123456, enter the lock button again, then you are able to insert a new 6-digit password and enter it 2 times, and then if it lights up green and you set with the lock button OK, then you have entered a new administrator, which allows to add new users with new passwords to the door, which is, I think, also pretty handy. It can also do this via Bluetooth. So what I have to do is insert now the administrator or management password, which I will do right now. So succeeded, and now I have the possibility to bound successfully, to have it bound here in my app. So I can always go in here, loading the device info, and have very different options, just like unlock history if I want to see the history, authorization management, where I can add new data. So I have the possibility to say, okay, a visitor, or I can add a new administrator, can put the start time in here. Very useful, for example, if you have an Airbnb or something like this, or you're just expecting a parcel to be delivered here and someone needs to enter your dormitory or your home or this garage door or whatever you want to protect. So this is the possibility here as well, to add those kind of visitors. And lots of other stuffs, like add another password for various different house owners or various different people who should have access. And Bluetooth pin is also possible. So I have the possibility to go in here via Bluetooth, add a card, which is one of those NFC cards, delete a card, and so on. So I think we will add a card here. So let's first add a card here. I can say the start time and end time. I can say anytime. This time I want it anytime. I can scan it in. There we go. Connect success. Card is in there. Card added successfully. I don't have to do anything. The lock was beeping in the background. And now what I can do. So now, and if you have the card, you want to use it, not hold it just like this, because it was like deplete the battery. You have to press the lock symbol once and then hold the card here once, and then you can open it up. Pretty easy, isn't it? And of course, you can also do all the menus that you have on your phone screen. You can also do here. Just have to enter the password, and then you have the possibility to scroll down and up. And so I can add the card here. I can change the language if I want to. English succeeded in this case. And of course, there are way more settings that you can set up on the device itself. Here in the instructions, you can see roughly a few that you can take, but I really recommend you using the app because it's just so much simpler, so much easier, not working with such a small little screen. And yeah, this is basically everything for the WELOCK Smart Lock. What do you think about this device?